Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Lens right away. If you're in the Google app, tap the Lens icon or launch the Lens app. Make sure camera permission is granted so Lens can read text. You only need to sign in once for personalized suggestions. Once done, point the camera at the text you want translated and hold steady. You're not just capturing words, you're feeding Lens live visual data so it can detect language and lay out accurately before translation. Now switch to translate mode so Lens performs language conversion instead of search. You can set the source language or leave it on auto detect. Auto works well for common languages, but choose a specific source when scripts are similar. Next, pick the target language you want to see. Use Live for instant overlays, scan to capture and edit translated text, or import to translate a saved photo for higher accuracy. Make sure lighting is good. Clearer input yields better. Finish by capturing the translation overlay or tapping scan to freeze the frame and edit extracted text. You can copy, listen to, or share the translated text. Edit any misread words directly in the scan before copying. If a page has columns or stylized fonts, adjust the selection box or retake the photo from a flatter angle to improve results. If things go wrong, check camera permission, switch from live to import, and retry in brighter, shadow-free lighting for best accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.